Russell Brand, the British comedian, actor, and more recently a political commentator, has officially entered a plea of not guilty in response to a series of serious criminal charges. These charges, 1 count of rape, 1 count of oral rape, 1 count of indecent assault, and 2 counts of sexual assault, relate to alleged incidents that took place between 1999 and 2005. The accusations first came to light after a lengthy investigation by Britain's Crown Prosecution Service (CPS) and the Metropolitan Police, following a detailed exposé published by the Sunday Times in 2023, which brought forth multiple women who accused Brand of sexual violence. On May 30, 2025, Brand appeared in person at Southwark Crown Court in London to formally respond to the charges. Known for his distinctive style, Brand was photographed wearing a black blazer and jeans, paired with black aviator sunglasses and a loose-fitting black button-up shirt with several buttons undone, a look that drew media attention as much as the court appearance itself. Before the judge, the 49-year-old pleaded not guilty to all 5 charges, which encompass separate instances involving multiple women. The court agreed to set a trial date for June 3, 2026, allowing both the prosecution and defense teams ample time to prepare. Brand's conditional bail was extended, meaning he remains free under certain restrictions while awaiting the trial. The allegations against Brand surfaced after a wave of reports and investigations in 2023. The Sunday Times investigative report was the catalyst, uncovering detailed accusations from several women who claimed Brand had committed acts of sexual violence, including rape and assault, over a number of years. These revelations sparked an official inquiry by the Crown Prosecution Service and the Metropolitan Police, who began reviewing evidence and interviewing witnesses. The police have confirmed that the women who reported these offenses are receiving ongoing support from specially trained officers, a practice reflecting modern efforts to provide care and sensitivity toward alleged victims of sexual crimes. Detective Superintendent Andy Furphy, who is leading the Metropolitan Police's investigation, released a public statement to underscore the seriousness of the case and the police's commitment to uncovering the truth. He appealed to anyone with relevant information, whether directly involved or with knowledge of the allegations, to come forward and assist the investigation. This call highlights the possibility that further evidence or additional testimonies could still emerge as the inquiry proceeds. Russell Brand has consistently denied all allegations. In the lead-up to his court appearance, Brand took to social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, to address his followers and the public. In a candid video posted in early April 2025, Brand reflected on his past, describing himself as a fool during his younger years before settling into family life. He openly acknowledged struggles with drug addiction and sex addiction, saying these experiences had profoundly shaped his behavior. However, Brand was emphatic in denying the central allegation. "I never was a rapist," he asserted. This public denial stands alongside Brand's earlier admissions about his conduct. In 2007, he wrote an op-ed for The Guardian where he admitted he did not always treat women well, offering a glimpse into his troubled past during a time of celebrity excess. But Brand's recent statement draws a clear line, distinguishing between past mistakes and the serious criminal allegations he now faces. He insists that while he acknowledges having made poor choices, he has never engaged in non-consensual sexual activity. The case has drawn considerable media attention and public debate, fueled by Brand's transformation from a flamboyant comedian and actor, best known for roles in films such as Forgetting Sarah Marshall, to a controversial figure in the political sphere. Recently, Brand has become known for his outspoken right-wing views, social media presence, and commentary on various social issues, which has only intensified the spotlight on the allegations against him. Supporters of Brand highlight his admissions and personal growth, while critics stress the importance of taking the accusations seriously and supporting survivors of sexual violence. The upcoming trial promises to be lengthy and complex. With the trial set more than a year from now, prosecutors will use the time to build their case through evidence collection, witness statements, and legal preparation. Meanwhile, Brand's legal team will work to discredit the allegations and defend their client. Brand's continued conditional bail means he is not in custody but must comply with certain restrictions as he awaits the legal process. This case exemplifies the broader challenges faced by the justice system in handling historical allegations of sexual offenses, particularly when high-profile public figures are involved. It raises questions about how society reconciles an accused individual's past behavior with the seriousness of criminal allegations and the rights of survivors seeking justice. The trial's outcome will be closely watched both within the United Kingdom and internationally, given Brand's prominence and the wider cultural conversations around consent, power, and accountability. In the meantime, the investigation remains active. Detective Superintendent Furphy's appeal for more information reflects a commitment to thoroughness and transparency. Anyone with knowledge of the case or who may have been affected is encouraged to come forward, highlighting the ongoing search for truth in this complex and sensitive matter. As the legal proceedings unfold, this case will continue to shape public discourse around celebrity culture, accountability, and the enduring impact of sexual violence allegations. It marks a critical juncture for all involved and will likely have lasting repercussions in the years to come.